Want to upload video reels on your Facebook profile using your iPhone? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to sharing your video reels with your friends and followers. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and tap your profile name to enter your profile. Next, scroll down on your profile and tap the Reel button. Choose the video you want to upload from your gallery and tap Next. Now, add a title and description, tag your friends, choose your audience, and select a location for your reel. Finally, tap Share Now and wait for the upload to complete, and you are all set. And that is how you upload video reels on Facebook using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.